Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's makeup tutorial, as you can see, is a very holiday, very Christmassy makeup look. You guys have been asking for a green eye tutorial and I love the way this look turned out. I added a little bit of a red eyeliner to make it very like Christmassy, but you can definitely skip out on the red eyeliner. Just do a regular schmegler black eyeliner and then use a red lipstick, and that will be like super Christmas appropriate. I think that is it as far as what I wanted. Oh, I did want to mention to you guys, or say really quickly, thank you for all of your sweet comments and your messages that you've been sending me. I told you guys on one of my previous videos that I've been experiencing some weight loss, and I know that some of you recommended for me to go get my thyroid checked out, and I think I'm gonna do that hopefully next week. And I'm a little bit nervous because I hope it's nothing bad that I've been losing weight on its own. I hope that it's just my body wanting to lose weight on its own and it's nothing scary. I will definitely keep you guys updated. So that is all the updates that I have for now. So now let's go ahead and jump right into this makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start with my base first. I'm going to go in with this, what is this, Kevyn Aucoin concealer. This is the SX06. This is going to be a very thick and full coverage concealer, but I have been loving it for a base because it does have a tacky finish and it doesn't dry down as fast, so it gives me time to go in and pack my shadows, and that is what you want. You don't want to set your base, you want to leave it a little bit wet, a little bit tacky, so all the shadows that you're going to put on are now going to just stick, and that's how your shadows are going to look amazing and vibrant, and they're just going to pop. The first palette that I'm going to use is this one by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. Mine is super dirty. I'm going to take the darkest green, which is this one right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm first going to pack it on to the crease, and it's okay if you go over your eyelid a little bit because we're going to cover that up anyway. So I'm just going to pack it on right here. If you don't have that palette, Inside Job will also work. It looks like they're actually about the same color of green. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is apply a shade that's going to help me diffuse that dark green. I'm going to go back into this palette and I'm going to pick up the shade Potion, which is this pukey green. Again, if you don't have this palette but you have the Morphe palettes, that green color is going to be right here. I just noticed that. And this color is going to go on the top, so right here. And I know that looks crazy, but now what you want to do is you want to take a pointed fluffy brush. Let me find one. So I'm going to take this Pro Crease by Beauty Junkies. As you can see, it is a little bit fluffy, but it's not overly big where it's just going to blend all the colors and mush them into one. You want to be a little bit more detailed with your brushes for more detailed work, obvi. Now you want to take that clean brush and just work those shadows, slowly blending them in together. And then I'm going to pick up that little brush again and a little bit more of Potion. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the Morphe Babe palette because this one has some lighter shades of green. And I'm going to take this one right here, which is one of the lightest out of all the 3 shades. This is the most like a vibrant one. So I'm going to take a little bit of this one actually and a little bit of this one because I don't want this look to be like a vibrant green. I want it to be like a pretty deep, Christmassy, mossy green. Something like that. Now I'm going to take this Swerve eyeliner by ColourPop Cosmetics. It's actually a gel eyeliner, but I really like the way that this sets. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a generous amount to a brush I'm going to take the same one that I used to pack on the shadow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press it up against my lid because I really want this to be intense and dark and smoky and sexy. Like, what else screams Christmas besides a smoky, sexy green eye? I don't know. And I'm going to go back into the Dark Magic palette. And I'm going to take Temptress, which is that gorgeous, like, midnight black. And that is super intense. And I'm just going to press it on the eye. You don't want to rub because then you're going to have so much fallout. And then I am going to go back into that green and just reinforce it on the crease a little bit more, just like right here. I'm going to go ahead and finish off this eye off camera. Now, I am not going to show you guys my foundation routine because, listen to me, I have my winter foundation routine coming up, and I'm going to show you guys how to prep your skin if your skin is lacking hydration, and also how to achieve a full coverage winter foundation, and that is going to be bomb AF. So I will be back, and I'm going to show you guys my bronzer, blush, highlight, lipstick, and that'll be all. So stay tuned. So the foundation is on. I am going to apply my bronzer really quickly. I'm first going to hollow out my cheekbones. You guys know that I love really chiseled cheekbones. And I'm going to mix these two shades. And this is what I like to use to hollow out the cheekbones first. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Saddle bronzer. I have been obsessed with this bronzer. I cannot put it down. This is what I'm going to use all over the skin to really bring warmth and a little bit more color onto the skin. So for my blush, I actually wanted to test this one out. These are the new Pixie Glow Gilded Bare Glow. They're called the Pixie Glow Cakes. So they are blushes, and as you can tell, they are gradient. So you can either use the lightest blush or you can mix them all together. She also sent me this one in the shade Pink Champagne. So this is Pink Champagne, and this is Gilded Bare. Oh, duh. This is a pink one. Y'all know that I don't do pink. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one out. I'm going to dip my brush into like these deeper shades right here, like the peach and the bronze. Cute. As a highlight, I'm going to take my glow palette. This is by Glam Glow. And I'm going to take these two shades and pop them on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights Vivid Fire eyeliner, and I'm going to draw just a little wing or a little eyeliner. I'm not going to wing it out. Now, to make everything pop, of course, I love adding an inner corner highlight. Ooh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one. It is, what is this called? Foiled Bombshell, I think. This is the pressed metal little things from JCat. I'm just going to pop that in. Oh my god, I love these so much. They're so pigmented. Do you guys see that? That's literally one little swipe. Now for my lips, I want to keep it a little bit simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lip liner. I actually found this in my lip liner collection. This is the NYX Earthtone lip liner. Oh my god, you guys. I used to be obsessed with this lip liner back in the day. And then I'm going to take the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick because this one is a little bit light and I want to keep all the focus on the eyes. I am feeling festive. I actually ordered this little turban specifically for this eye look. That's how extra I am. But I'm living. This is the look that I had envisioned, a smoky green eye. I actually envisioned to add a color like this on the lid, but I didn't have anything like it, so I didn't want to mess it up. And I still love the way this look turned out. It is definitely Christmas, holiday appropriate. If you guys like this look and if you guys are going to recreate it, please tag me. I love to post and repost your pictures. Thank you guys for joining me today on Makeup Monday. I love you, and I will see you on Wednesday. Love you. Bye.